The next method of our database class will be called setFetchMode, and we're going to make it public because sometimes you may want to change the fetch mode from outside of this class. So public function setFetchMode, and we pass in the parameter fetch mode by default null, and what we check is basically if is an empty fetch mode, then we simply change it by assigning it to our underscore fetch mode property. Fetch mode. Okay, the next one right after this method is going to be again public function called get lastInsertId, and sequence name equals null, and then we return this underscore PDO object lastInsertId, and we pass the sequence name. Most of the time we're not going to be using this parameter, but just in case, obviously there might be situations when this parameter is going to be in use. Obviously we need to have it present here. In our scenario, all of the ID primary keys use the auto increment, therefore sequence name is not going to be used. This is basically for the purposes when you have the primary key which doesn't auto increment basically. Anyway, let's move to the next video.